In this video, we will discuss changing the torque units on a CP5i control pad. Torque unit settings only apply to electric handpieces when used in some endo modes. Warning: endo file settings must be set according to the file manufacturer. File speed limits, torque limits, supported gear ratios, and supported auto modes should be provided in the endo file instructions for use. If these settings are not set properly, patient injury may occur. For more information, consult with your file manufacturer. Ensure that the file used in reciprocal motion is approved for a torque of 3 Nm and a maximum speed of 600 revolutions per minute. Begin by pressing the Options menu button. Then enter the Settings menu. From there, select Equipment. Next, select Delivery. Scroll down to Delivery Setup. Then scroll down to Torque Units. Here you can choose between Newton centimeter and gram centimeter as the displayed torque units. Press the chair icon to exit the menu and return to the main screen. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.